Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into an important word that's all about foundations and reasons. Our word of the day is basis. That's right, basis, a B1 level noun that means the main reason or foundation for something. Let's break it down. The basis of something is like its backbone. It's the key reason or support that everything else depends on. For example, you might say, trust is the basis of any good friendship. Here, basis means trust is the foundation that holds the friendship together. Now, let's look at some synonyms of basis. Words like foundation, groundwork, and core can be used in similar ways. For instance, you could say, the foundation of their argument was strong evidence. Or, hard work is the core of their success. These words highlight a similar sense of something essential or fundamental. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. Words like result, outcome, or consequence stand in contrast to basis. While the basis is the starting point, a result or outcome is what happens at the end. For example, the project's outcome was surprising is very different from saying, the basis of the project was well thought out. How do we use basis in everyday life? It often comes up when explaining why something happens or how it works. You might hear someone say, our meetings are on a weekly basis, meaning the foundation of their schedule is weekly. Or, her argument had no factual basis, which means it lacked a foundation of facts. Here are a few more examples. Honesty forms the basis of their business. The recipe is simple and serves as the basis for many variations. The scientist questioned the basis of the theory. These examples show how versatile the word is in describing reasons or foundations in different contexts. To sum it all up, basis is all about the reason or foundation that supports something, making it essential in explaining why things are the way they are. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of the word basis. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using the word basis and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.